Want to master AI and land a high-paying job? Skillofy AI's got your back. Introducing Skillofy AI's advanced certification in AI, machine learning, and Python with ChatGPT integration. This 12-month program is designed to take you from beginner to pro, with hands-on learning and real-world projects. You'll master Python for AI and data science, build ML models, and dive deep into neural networks and deep learning. Plus, you'll develop cutting-edge AI chatbots using ChatGPT. Our expert instructors and personalized mentorship will guide you every step of the way. And with flexible weekend and weekday batches, you can learn on your own schedule. But it's not just about learning. We also provide one career support to help you land that dream job. With dual certification and 100% placement assistance, you'll be ready to shine in the AI job market. Sound exciting? Enroll now and start your journey to becoming an AI innovator with Skillofy AI. Visit skillofy.com to apply today. Remember, your future in AI starts here. Let's build a smarter tomorrow together.